things are starting to heat up. Turn it up a notch. All right, guys, I'm taking singing lessons. And while I'm taking singing lessons, you're taking AI agent lessons. So, speaking of which, we should have our trigger initiated, but not yet hooked up because we don't have credentials. We need credentials. Now, this is the point in the course, and this is the point with most YouTube videos that you're gonna Google. With most videos or online blogs about this, where they'll say, well, then just hook up your WhatsApp account and you're done. No, unfortunately, it's gonna be a bit more complicated than that. The question is, that I'm posing to you, and the fork in the road is, do you have a WhatsApp account or do you not? And the second point I'm gonna bring up to you, and I'm gonna move over to Safari here, we're not talking about just a WhatsApp account, we're talking about a WhatsApp business account. So some of you will have no WhatsApp account whatsoever, in which case I want you to go on your phone, do it on the phone first. We'll download the desktop version too, it's up to you. You don't have to go through the course, but you definitely want this on your phone because that's the point. Go to the App Store on Apple or go on Google, get it on your Android. Pause the video and download WhatsApp Business. Do not download the regular WhatsApp, okay? So for those of you that have nothing, you don't have anything, you wanna go to business.whatsapp.com. It's gonna take you here. All right, this is where you can just see the docs, or you go on your phone, even better, go to the App Store and type in WhatsApp Business. Make sure you get the WAB, not the WhatsApp app. Okay, so go ahead and do that. You can pause the video and then unpause. For those of you who have a WhatsApp account, but not a WhatsApp Business account, what you need to do is the same thing. It's the same actual thing. Do not delete your regular WhatsApp account. Don't play with it, don't touch it. Keep that as is, all right? Don't want to lose your data. You can download additionally the WhatsApp Business app and put that on your phone, respectively, all right? Now, when you download it, it's gonna ask for your phone number. So go ahead, pause the video and do that. Now, for those of you who already have the WhatsApp Business account, you don't have to do anything. Just keep on listening or skip ahead. Okay, but for those of you in option 1 or option 2, you just got the WhatsApp Business account. You need to link it to your phone number. If you do not have a WhatsApp account ever, just link it to your phone number regularly and you're good. Welcome to WhatsApp Business. It's the exact same as WhatsApp. You just are gonna have more accessibility, as we're gonna see in terms of customizing WhatsApp to do really cool things. All right, now, for those of you that have a regular WhatsApp account, don't be scared. Put in your phone number and you will switch from your regular account and it'll transfer over to your business account for you seamlessly. You can always switch back, keep both apps on your phone, and you should be good. And you'll be able to move forward, okay? And for those of you who already have a WhatsApp Business account, you guys are the superstars of this video. You know all of this. But it's very important, guys, that you have a business account and not the regular account, or this isn't gonna work, all right? And so, as you can see here, this is my WhatsApp desktop version. You can also download it on your computer and then just follow the steps to link it if you wanna have it like me on the desktop as well. I'm gonna be using the desktop version so that you can actually visually see what I'm doing when we're running tests, but you don't have to do that, right? You can just use your phone. But if you want to have it on your desktop, just download the WhatsApp app for desktop. It's just one. And whichever account you're primarily using on your phone, it's gonna link to. So if it's business or regular, it'll automatically link to it. Go ahead, that's the final thing you need to do. Link that up. Once we have that going, basically what the point is of this video is that all of this does is one important thing. It registers your account onto the WhatsApp cloud for business accessibility. It will not be visible. That's literally, in a nutshell, what's happening here. And when that process executes and your account becomes visible on the WhatsApp cloud, then we're going to be able to go into the back end for developers and the back end for the business administrators and do all the important necessary hookups to get this credential connected. There's another credential as well. Hey, multi-credentials, it's Facebook. What did you expect? You expected it to make sense? Does Facebook really make sense? Not that much. Okay, all right, we'll stop here. Make sure you get the WhatsApp registration set up properly. And in the next video, what we're gonna do, we're gonna move into the business side of Facebook because Facebook owns WhatsApp, and then link the account which we just made visible through the business cloud of WhatsApp. All right, it's a whole lot of extra loops, more complicated than it needs to be. Let's just end with that, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.